Hi, I'm Blue Reef Snapper. My passion is underwater photography, but I wanted to take it a step further and share my dive experiences with the world through video. This way, you can see the incredible locations I've explored and decide if you want to visit them yourself. However, the quality of my videos wasn't quite up to par, and I wanted to do something about that. Not just to improve my content, but also to review some of the latest products on the market. So, I've retired my old GoPro and upgraded to the new Insta360 X5, a 360-degree action camera with a 1:1.28-inch sensor. This camera offers incredible low-light capabilities thanks to its pure video mode. Next stop, Plymouth. I'm taking the Insta360 X5 for a proper test. I'll be popping it into an underwater case and taking it on a dive. UK underwater visibility can be challenging, about 6 meters if you're lucky, and light at depth is limited. Let's see how this new camera performs in those conditions. So, my verdict. The Insta360 X5 performed impressively well in low-light conditions. The Pure Video mode delivered excellent clarity, and using Aquavision in the Insta360 Studio software helped restore the vibrant colors typically lost at depth, which was a real bonus. However, this was my first time using the camera underwater, and I did notice a drawback. Since the camera uses two fisheye lenses to capture and then stitch the footage together, I was disappointed with the stitching quality when using the underwater housing. It wasn't as seamless as it is when the camera is used without the case. I'm hopeful that a future firmware update will improve this, as the visible stitching artifacts currently detract from what is otherwise an impressive underwater action camera. I'll be doing another video soon, focusing on the image quality underwater while using the camera in 8K mode, so be sure to check that out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you on my next adventure.